This project is about efficient video annotation with segmentation masks. It was done in collaboration with Vicky Kalogiton and Tim Papadopoulos. Given a video object segmentation, or VOS, is the task of segmenting and trunking the foreground objects. For example, in this video, the rider and the motorcycle. However, training a VOS model requires videos in which the target objects have been manually annotated with segmentation masks. This process is expensive as it requires humans to manually draw a mask at each video frame. For instance, annotating all objects in all frames in these 12 videos would require almost 40 hours. To address this, the research community has turned to two solutions. The first one is partially video annotation, which is the traditional way of annotating VOS datasets. It starts by selecting a subset of frames via uniform frame sampling, usually 1 to 5 FPS. Then, these frames are manually annotated by humans who draw a mask at each selected frame. In some datasets, the sparsely annotated masks are interpolated to predict dense annotations for all frames. Even though this idea reduces the overall annotation time, the interpolation still needs a large amount of annotations to work well. The second solution of the community aims to minimize the annotation cost of the previous pipeline. The common strategy is interactive segmentation. Davis 18 introduced a human-in-the-loop interactive VOS setting where a VOS model initially predicts a segmentation mask for each frame. Then, the annotator finds the frame with the worst segmentation quality and provides a screen mill to refine the segmentation mask. This process continues until either the annotation budget is exhausted or until the quality of the predicted masks is sufficient. However, despite its innovation, this approach has two main limitations. First, it is unrealistic, as the annotator cannot identify the worst frame, and even if they could, it would require a significant amount of time, which defeats the purpose of minimizing the annotation cost. Second, in challenging frames, scrimbles are insufficient to create a good mask, and drawing the full mask is required. To overcome these limitations, we propose EVA VOS, an efficient video annotation pipeline for video object segmentation. Our contribution is the introduction of an agent that predicts iteratively which frame should be annotated and which annotation type should be used. Finally, the annotator interacts with the selected frame to provide the selected annotation type. In more detail, EVA VOS consists of three modules: frame selection, annotation selection, and human annotation. In the frame selection, the goal is to train a model to predict a frame that will have the maximum impact on the propagation stage. In particular, we aim to create a model with a good representation about the segmentation quality of each frame. To achieve this, we train a model that processes each frame independently to regress the segmentation quality of each frame. Then we use this representation to select a frame with a maximum distance in the feature space from its closest previously annotated frame. In the annotation selection stage, we want to predict the most suitable annotation type for the selected frame. In particular, our model takes as input the selected frame with its corresponding mask and predicts an annotation type. For example, here it outputs 3 clicks. Then we prompt the segment anything model, or SAM, with a predicted annotation type in order to predict a new mask for the selected frame. There are many training alternatives for this pipeline. We decide to use reinforcement learning. The state of our agent consists of the selected frame and its corresponding mask. Each annotation type represents an action, while the reward is formulated by comparing the segmentation quality before and after the annotation, divided by the annotation cost. In the human annotation stage, the annotator interacts with the selected frame to provide the selected annotation type. Then, SAM predicts a mask which is propagated to the whole video. We show here experiments on the challenging MOUSE dataset. On the vertical axis, you can see the segmentation quality. On the horizontal one is the human annotation time in hours at log scale. We follow the standard evaluation protocol in the VOS field and use the JNF metrics for the segmentation quality. We decide to observe the segmentation quality at JNF 0.85, which is the human annotation agreement for instant segmentation. First, we will present our results for the frame selection module and then for our full pipeline. For a fair comparison among all methods, we only use mask drawing. We first compare our method to a random baseline that selects frames randomly. Our frame selection method is shown as the black line and reaches the human annotation agreement almost 27 hours faster than random. Now we compare with the current state-of-the-art frame selection method, EVOS W. We observe that EVA VOS performs significantly better and reaches the human annotation agreement more than 2 times faster. We also compare two powerful image encoders pre-trained on ImageNet. The encoders yield approximately the same performance as random. This shows that our task-specific method learns much better representation and outperforms all pre-trained encoders. We finally compare against an oracle that selects the frame with the worst segmentation quality. We observe that for low annotation budgets up to 45 hours, our method yields almost identical JNF. We evaluate here our full pipeline, showing the effect of both selection models. We compare against clicks only, which selects the next frame randomly and considers only clicks. Even though it performs similarly to EVA-VOS at higher budgets, our method consistently outperforms clicks only at lower annotation budgets. Mask only considers only mask drawing and selects the next frame randomly. Mask only resembles the traditional way of annotating videos with segmentation masks. Our method performs significantly better and achieves a 3.5 times speedup. Here we show the same information with the previous plots. We quantify the performance for different levels of the human annotation agreement, and we also report the average JNF up to 200 hours. First, we show the performance of the Oracle approaches to highlight the trade-off that EVA-VOS could achieve in an ideal training scenario. Here, we compare against approaches that use only mask drawing as an annotation type. We observe that EVA-VOS is faster for all JNF values. Finally, we compare our full pipeline with realistic annotation methods. EVA-VOS outperforms all realistic approaches. We now provide side-by-side comparison between EVA-VOS and the mask-only method in 3 different videos after 5 minutes of annotation. We observe that our method generates much better segmentation masks given the same budget at all videos. Moreover, at the first video, EVA-VOS reaches the human annotation agreement in only 5 minutes. Thank you for your attention.